Hello guys and welcome to my channel. In this video we are talking about luxury houses that will blow your mind. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. A house is the essence of its owner's personality, so most people move heaven and earth to build beautiful homes that glorify them. Be it the most affluent lot or a less privileged one, everyone tries to create architectural marvels in their own capacities. Hence, we decided to look for those beautiful houses in the world that could inspire you to do the same. There's something special about beautiful houses. It might be their history, the way they feel, or just how great it would be to live in them. The following houses are definitely on the top of the list when it comes to the most beautiful houses in the world. All of them are so impressive that you would be awestruck even if you only saw photos of them. If you've ever dreamed of moving into a home that looks like it was designed specifically to make you feel at home, then we've got some good news for you. The world is filled with stunning mansions that are more than ready for your move. Whether it's an old-fashioned castle or a modern-day palace, these 10 houses are so beautiful, they'll leave you speechless and send your heart racing with envy. Number 10. Whittenhurst House, London, UK. This mansion is the largest private residence in the UK. Spanning around 90,000 square feet, this is one of the big beautiful houses that date back to the 18th century. Though its current bedroom count is 25, it has been owned and renovated several times since its inception. However, its estimated value could reach £300 million in the future. Owned by the Earl and Countess of St Albans, this building was constructed in 1741. Number 9. House M, Murano, Northern Italy. This 360 square meters, ultra-modern living space with all-white interiors is one of the most beautiful houses in the world. Its incredible facade and the minimalistic glassy design give it a unique elegance. With spacious balconies and basement parking, this is one of those big beautiful houses that blends luxury with sophistication. House M was designed by architect David Chipperfield and has become a favorite of architecture lovers worldwide. The house is made up of 2 separate buildings that sit side by side, connected via a small bridge. The main structure is clad in limestone and features a sloped roof that blends into the surrounding mountainside. The second building is stacked on top of the first, forming a low-slung single-story space that gives the house its distinctive cantilevered form. The lower floors are covered in wood paneling, while the upper floor features glass walls that stretch up to the sky above. Number 8. Sky Garden House, Singapore. The Sky Garden House is a residential property located in Singapore. The building was completed in 2011 and has since become an iconic landmark in the city. The house is built on stilts and features a cantilevered glass facade that offers stunning views of the cityscape. The interior is just as impressive, with a spacious open-plan layout and floor-to-ceiling windows that let in natural light. The go-green attitude to the environment had a hand in the architecture's distinctive one-of-a-kind design. If you love to live in the lap of nature, then this is the best house for you. Whether you look at the rooftop or go to the terrace for a walk, you will get a visual treat of fauna surrounding you. The unique architectural design is inspired by the sustainable living approach towards the environment. Number 7. Trisarca House, Las Vegas, USA. Built on the backdrop of the Mojave Desert, this architectural marvel integrates beauty with simplicity. Living in beautiful houses inside the picturesque landscape of the desert is a dream everyone doesn't get the chance to materialize. It is a lovely expression of forms and materials, brilliantly placed to form crevices cooled by shade and plantation, exactly mimicking the desert topography. Number 6. Dupli Casa, Ludwigsburg, Germany. The extraordinary design of this house was inspired by the concept of family archaeology, where children continue to enjoy the warmth and love of their family even when they grow independent. The fluid shape and minimalistic construction signify how families grow and expand without separating from the primary source. With an area of 6,900 square meters, the dwelling has 4 bedrooms and a vast dining area for those big family meals together. And it also houses a pool to chill out and relax. Undoubtedly, this is one of the best houses to live in for those families who want to grow together. Number 5. Malater House, Wales, UK. Blending into the grassy cliff, Malater House stealthily peeks into the vast coastal expanse. However, its beauty does not lie in its coveredness, but in its minimal invasiveness and temperature maintenance capability. Though it is hidden from passers-by, the residents of this beautiful 3-bedroom apartment can have a clear view of the entire coastline. The bathrooms are made of vibrant colored pods and are complete with suites. Number 4. Updown Court, UK. Updown Court is a beautiful house in Wyndham, Surrey, England. This fantasy mansion has 103 rooms, 22 bedrooms, and 5 Olympic swimming pools. The owners of Updown Court have spared no expense in creating this fantasy estate. There is also a huge theater with 50 seats, a garage with parking for up to 8 limos, and a helipad strip. There are also golf courses, tennis courts, squash courts, bowling alleys, and stables available in this complex. It is worth $84.5 billion. It's not just about having an enormous home. It's about having a life that can stand up to any challenge. And this property gives its owners exactly that kind of freedom. Number 3. Palazzo Antilla, Mumbai, India. The Ambani family, one of the world's wealthiest business families, lives in a personal tower in the heart of Mumbai city. The entire construction plan is based on Vastu Shastra, which the family has followed for generations. Valued at 82 billion rupees, PS 906 million. This is quite possibly the most extravagant property in the whole world. Whilst building a 27-story home in one of the most poverty-stricken areas in the world might sound slightly and harshly boastful, makes Ambani, India's richest man, thinks otherwise. The home is 400,000 square foot with 27 high ceilings, and it has been brought to light that the building can survive a deadly earthquake. We seriously don't want to miss a single feature out for this home, so we decided to put it into a list instead. 3 rooftop helicopter pads, 9 high-speed elevators, a steel and glass structure, 2-story health center containing an indoor swimming pool and jacuzzi. 6 of the floors is a family residence dedicated to his family, houses for the staff. An entire floor is dedicated to the servicing of his cars. 50-seat home theater with a wine room, snack bar and entertainment space, dance studio. Number 2. Villa Leopolda, France. Villa Leopolda is among France's ancient and opulent residences. It is situated in Villefranche-sur-Mer, France, and among the best houses in the country. Situated on the French Riviera, this castle spans over 80,000 square meters and has become one of France's luxury homes. It boasts around 1,200 tree kinds and a variety of other flora, such as orange and lemon trees. Located in France, this massive estate was built in 1902 by Belgian King Leopold II. The 20-acre property includes the main house, guest house, caretaker's house, and an amphitheater. The current owner is Lily Safra, and it is estimated to be worth $750 million. Number 1. Bellagio La Villa, Hinterland. Bellagio La Villa is a beautiful home in the Gold Coast hinterland. The stunning property features 10 opulent bedrooms and 10 bathrooms, as well as made-to-order decorations and furniture, honed marble flooring, and towering elegant ceilings. A 16-seat dining room, a lavish main bedroom with his and hers luxurious changing rooms and en-suites, a gym, and a caretaker's cabin are among the other outstanding amenities. The house has been designed by renowned architect Glenn Murcutt with the help of local architect Roger Mills. It is located in the suburb of Caloundra West on the Gold Coast in Queensland, Australia. It was built in 2009 on an area of 6 acres, 2,402. That's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.